In this video, I show you how to fix Bluetooth no device found problem on Android phone. For fixing this problem, go to settings, then click on search settings, search for reset option, click on reset option. Now click on reset Wi-Fi mobile and Bluetooth, click on it, click on reset settings, enter your PIN code or password or screen lock, then click on reset settings. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, or go to settings, click on Bluetooth. Now I hope that this method fix Bluetooth no device found problem.